First step, PV panel installation. The PV panel inclination angle refers to the local latitude. The second bracket is installed as above. Finally, tighten the screws with tools. Angle adjustment of PV panels. Use MAC4 connectors to connect interboard cables. Place the photovoltaic panels in the direction of sunlight. Note, the bracket should be fixed to the ground with expansion screws. Second step, PV panel wiring connection. This video shows the series wiring method. Pay attention to the connection between the male and female connectors. If you hear a click sound, it means the connection is successful. Third step, indoor unit installation. Measuring dimensions. Fixed hanging board. Drain connection. Copper pipe connection. 4th step, outdoor unit installation. Assembling the outdoor unit bracket. Fixed bracket. Measure the installation position and fix it with expansion screws. Place the outdoor unit. Connect the copper pipe and draw a vacuum. Vacuum for 15–30 minutes. Make sure the system is free of air and moisture. Line connection. Fifth step, replace with the appropriate plug type. Connect the ground wire, live wire, and neutral wire correctly. The second switch type for 18,000 BTU and above. Leakage protection switch. Also, pay attention to the connection of ground wire, live wire, and neutral wire. Final step, make sure the voltages match and run. Plug in and turn on the power. How to install Uniepu. To control the air conditioner with mobile phone. App Store download. Search Uniepu. Mobile phone number login. Add device air conditioning. Keep the air conditioner on. Press the display button on the remote control 8 times in a row and hear a beep sound. Select fast beep sound. Please note that the network cannot be a 5 grams network. Waiting for connection. Temperature regulation. Specific data display. Energy consumption display.